Dust kicks up beneath my boots, the sun's a fiery brand. Riding out across the plains, the reins tied in my hand. The prairie stretches endless, where the wild winds wail. This life is all I've ever known, the cowboy's rugged trail. Oh, the cowboy's life is lonely, but it's freedom's sweetest call. With the stars above my blanket and the white sky overall. Through the hardships and the heartaches, I'll ride until I fail. For the open land's my lover, and I'm bound to this old trail. Cattle cry like thunder as we drive them through the dust. Every mile a battle, but ride on, we know we must.